Hello, today we're going to talk about tips and tricks for marketing research. For many marketing professionals, some of the best marketing research tips and tricks involve stepping outside of your comfort zone. Perhaps you've gotten comfortable with placing regularly scheduled ads in the local newspaper or on the radio. Maybe you've dabbled a bit in the world of social media. But are those ads really giving you the results you desire? Well, to find out, here are a few key tips and tricks for researching what works and what doesn't work to attract potential customers. Number 1, customer satisfaction survey. Send a survey to your current customers. Find out what they like about your business, what they might suggest you improve, and what issues they have with product placement or other experiences with your business. Ask them how they obtain information and what they value most when it comes to selecting a product or service. Number 2, SWOT Analysis. Get your marketing, sales, and customer service representatives together to uncover valuable insights. Construct a list of your company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Then, define what action points you will take based upon this information. Number 3, analyze your current market. Find out if the market you are currently pushing your marketing towards is the right demographic. Do simple online research about what types of groups and people are gravitating towards the types of products and services that you provide. Number 4, task force. Just as you pulled your teams together for the SWOT analysis, make your marketing research a team effort. Different skill sets can often benefit you exponentially. Use those skills to assist you throughout your marketing research. Number 5, boldly apply the results. Too often, marketers pour all their energy into the research itself, and that's great throughout the research process. However, once you have the results, the next and most important step is to put those results into play as part of a new, more effective marketing plan. Whether you are a brand new marketer for a young business or you've been marketing for a long time, having the right mindset when delving into the world of marketing research is most important. Define your aspirations from the start and keep them in mind throughout the entire research process. Most importantly, be prepared to implement new strategies from the results of your research.